Welcome home, guys.
Welcome home, man. What's your name, man?
Huh?
What's your name?
My name is Edrar.
Edrar.
I'm Edrar, and I'm here for help you. Oh, thank you so much. You are my guy. You are my good people. I'm here for help you and for take care of you.
Okay.
I will take care of you well, right? Everything that you need, just let us know.
I will.
We're
Appreciate
here to make your vacation happy, great, excellent, right? Take care.
Good. Thanks,
all right,
man.
let me show you your room, guys.
Yeah, do that.
Take
Do
good
that.
information. Please don't leave a window or doors open. If you leave a window or doors open, AC doesn't work. It shut off, okay?
Okay.
The sofa is a pull-out bed. You have a minibar here, some beer, water, juice, and every day is the guys come to refresh.
Every day?
Every day.
Okay.
If you need more beer or anything else that you need in the room, just you have to dial 0 at the phone. Alright? And immediately the minibar service it will come.
Okay.
Safe is over here in the closet. Right here you have your safe. Phone number and start, you close your safe and you open like the same phone number. You have a sleeper, barrels, and item over here. That's your item.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Where's the jacuzzi?
Do you have any on the balcony?
Okay.
Now we got a just hot tub on the balcony.
What's the hut? What?
Hot tub's on the balcony.
Yeah, right here. Do you have any question or vacation? You are.
Yeah,
you
30th.
you
We're
are
on our 30th wedding anniversary.
30.
30.
Anniversary.
30.
Congratulations, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, that's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Congratulations.
Well, this is a decent
You
view.
make a great job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can do it too, man. You married?
Yes, I am.
How many years?
10 years.
Okay, you can make it. You can make it.
10 happy years. 10 nice years for me.
You got the right one, you can
Very
make it.
nice.
If not, dump her. Let her go.
Yeah, right there you have a mini golf.
Oh, okay, we can sit there
And
and
to
laugh.
walk to the beach, in case you want to walk to the beach, this side, all over down there, you walk to the beach.
About
Walk the same walk?
Yeah, the same way, that's way to the beach, walk, and the main pool, total restaurant, all over down there.
So should we walk or catch the shuttle to the
The
beach?
shadow, yeah, you can get the shadow on the front side over there.
That's okay.
Lobby is all over down there to the right. You have a restaurant.
So it's
around
probably
the
just
lobby.
as long to walk to the lobby as it is to walk to the beach.
Yeah, you can walk like
No.
to the beach.
It's
7, 8, 10 minutes, like a 10 minutes. 10
see,
minutes.
it's closer to go to.
But we
the-
have car all the time. If you don't wanna walk, you can get the shuttle. Shuttle, just down there, the elevator at the ground floor, you can get the shuttle. It should be passed there every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, shuttle is coming there. Okay.
Okay, we're free.
All right, my name is Edrar. For me, it was a pleasure to help you. Do you have any question? Can I do anything else for you guys?
No, I'm sorry. No.
Have
You
a
good,
great
man.
time.
We good.
Take care. My pleasure, guys.
No, pleasure's ours. Okay, we gotta keep this closed.
Yes,
The
sir.
air conditioning cuts off.
Yes, sir. I can help you.
It's nice. It's nice. Thank you. Oh, it's right. You got to bring the rest of the luggage in.
All right. Happy anniversary, guys. Take care.
Thank you. That's ours.
Yes. Luggage.
Yeah, that would be nice.
I give you the information first. Right to give you the luggage. Got it, don't worry.
Thank you.
I got it.
Appreciate it.
Let me put the habit there. Let's put a habit one here.
I was gonna put it there.
Right there?
Yeah, I'm gonna open it up right there. Well, no,
One here.
we got it. Cause I'm gonna move it.
Here.
This one is gonna go here. Yeah, there we go. This can go there. There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Take care.
We'll see you around.
See you around, guys.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You like the room?
Mm-hmm. Tonight.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a nice size shower.
You got the door?
Sure. Yes.
Hello,
How you doing?
excellent today. And you?
Fine.
That's great. Is your first time here in Dominica?
Yeah.
Welcome again. My name is Jensen from Room Service. Do you need something to drink of anyone? Water?
We just walked in, man. So
you have some?
our
Can I come in, please?
yeah, come on. The mini bar should be stopped.
Hola.
We just walked in.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
You tried the beer?
We literally just walked in, so we haven't tried anything. We don't drink beer.
Oh yeah. Wow.
You know, people that's coming tomorrow. Why? I don't like beer. What do you mean why? Yeah. So
The Dominican beer, Dominican what?
well, tomorrow somebody's coming. They like to drink beer, so
Yeah.
that's cool. But we good. You know,
Yeah.
every day you gonna come by, right?
More 7 Pepsi, everything's good.
Yeah. Is it Pepsi in there?
Regular Pepsi.
Oh, yeah, regular
Diet
Pepsi.
Coke. I have two Diet Pepsi. Do you need Diet Pepsi?
I don't know diet nothing.
Regular?
No.
Can
We
I-
good.
Can I change the
Sure.
diet for regular?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And you're the guy. You're gonna come every day and check, right?
Yeah, every day.
Okay.
Good morning.
All right. Well, I'll holler at you then.
Maybe tomorrow. Yeah.
We'll be here for a few days. We're gonna be here all week.
Other
So
guys tomorrow is coming. Tomorrow, other guys coming.
okay.
Yeah,
Well,
okay.
we'll be here all week.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
See you later.
Okay. Don't worry, I ain't gonna run out on you.
What?
I'll say, don't worry, I ain't gonna run out. I'm gonna remember you.
You okay?
Okay.